Alright YouTube, so welcome to another unboxing episode. This is one that I'm really quite excited about. As you would have seen by the thumbnail, you know it's the M2 exhaust, so it's the second half. That kind of explains why I went for the M2 one. I mean, it's supposed to be pretty good anyway, but because you can buy it in two sections, so you can just like do the second half of it first, and then when you feel like doing the rest, you can buy the I suppose you call it the mid section, so between the back section and your downpipe and cap. So it's basically a cap back in two sections, which makes more sense. So yeah, quite excited about this. I got this from DynoDaze, and it took 2 days to arrive, which is pretty damn excellent. So without further ado, let's break open the box. This will be the first time I've seen it as well, so we can experience the joy together. Alright, let's get it open. That feels nice and light. This section's the tailpipe. Feels nice and light. So I will weigh this, and then when I swap them over, I'll weigh the old one to see what kind of weight saving I've made. Definitely well packaged anyway. There we go. Oh, look at that. Look how shiny that is. Very nice. That goes off to the centre section, and then this will be that'll be your rear left tailpipe. It's obviously just a single exit. Yeah, it looks very cool. We've got one gasket already attached there. Yeah, I'm not sure whether this side needs a gasket or not. Whether it's just a design way it features that you don't need the gasket. Right, because I'm a numpty, I walked away without bloody weighing them, so I put my tripod away, so you should have to go for a mini tripod, and I'll just basically see how much I weigh, which is a bit frightening. 105.8. Now I'll grab these. 113.8. That's handy. Yeah, so that's 8 kilos. Don't know whether that's good or not. It feels pretty light, to be honest. I have had the OEM back blocks off before. I'm pretty sure it felt heavier. But yeah, when I actually do the swap, I shall weigh the old one and report back. So I'm going to do that with the calipers and the discs as well. And over time I can see how much weight reduction there's been on the car. So thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Cheers for Danny over at DynoDaze for supporting the channel, and stay tuned for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.